Good morning on this Thursday. Welcome back to 3 News First Edition. It is 6:43. Dr. Hector P. Garcia continues to inspire future generations when it comes to fighting for basic rights and health care. Our Madeline Salinas joins us live with how his decades of service to our country, Coastalman community, and veterans continues to be a hallmark at his Memorial Foundation. Madeline, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Not many South Texas natives can say they worked alongside multiple U.S. presidents, 5 to be exact, and then later received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Well, Hector P. Garcia could. Cecilia Garcia Akers worked with her father for 10 years in his office before he passed away. His dedication to serving everyone regardless of their differences is what she admired most about him.
I remember my father as a very kind, compassionate person.
History remembers Hector P. Garcia as a trailblazing advocate for minorities. His daughter Cecilia remembers him as a fun-loving man with a sense of humor, who just so happened to have a great deal of responsibility to his community.
He was just a very funny guy. I mean, he loved to tell jokes and tease, and he loved Mexican food and Whataburger. And in a sense, he was really elevated in the public's eyes, but he was just a regular father.
Dr. Garcia fought for everything, from medically underserved Mexican-American communities in Corpus Christi to education and voting rights. After returning from his service in World War II, Dr. Garcia saw how the Hispanic veterans were treated unfairly, leading him to create the American GI Forum in Corpus Christi to address inequities faced by Mexican-American veterans. It later grew into a national advocacy group for civil rights, education, and health care.
He knew he had to help them because they were not getting taken care of. They had no money, no jobs, and that's how he had the passion for helping them.
His advocacy earned him the nation's highest civilian honor in 1984, the Presidential Medal of Freedom, presented by President Ronald Reagan. Today, nearly 30 years after his death, Dr. Hector P. Garcia's legacy lives on through his Memorial Foundation, led by Akers and her husband, Jim. He says the foundation's reach isn't possible without the people that contribute to Dr. Garcia's memory by attending events like their annual signature luncheon.
They're trying to help us keep Dr. Hector's legacy alive. And, I think we've done a good job. Sometimes we don't give ourselves enough credit, and we want to make sure that everyone remembers all his 50 years of hard work.
Now that annual luncheon is happening tomorrow. All proceeds from the ticket sales directly fund scholarships supporting veterans and the Dr. Hector P. Garcia Center at Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. For more info, you can visit KIIITV.com.